chaser. Me and my squad ballin' hard like the Pacers. We puffin' L's after L's and we countin' paper. I'm cool as an ocean and fast as a laser. Strong as an ox and snap quick like a gator. I don't trust no girl except the one who made me. I guarantee my come up gon' be one of the greatest. I got my dreams in my hand, I just don't wanna take it. And I'ma keep getting bread until the Lord take me. And even if he take me, I'ma still be gravy. If you know what I mean. I do this shit for my mama, I do this shit for my team. This street shit with K, I ain't trying to get deep. And if a nigga test me like the roof, he gon' leak. Trying to be rude, but I ain't trying to be sweet. Just listen 1 second, baby, it's gon' be brief. Damn, I like the style. She even got nipples that supports the smile. And I've been eyeing shorty down for about a while. She got a couple cute friends, but she don't hang with a crowd. She gotta understand she fucking with a real nigga. Take pictures, spend days at the crib with her. One of my little wolves fuck with the little sister. See we macking these hoes, man, we don't fuck with them. I gotta play my card right, she can check my mind. Smoke a blunt, cool down and write another line. See this rap shit, man, it takes time. But bitch don't get me wrong, I'm always on my damn grind. I got so many thoughts, I got so many dreams. I wanna ball in the mall with my whole team and keep that shit clean. You don't want no fucking beef. You got credits in the cup, my squad got them beams. No missing, my nigga, no missing. The funniest off the chart, my squad gon' have your ass missing. And soon as your mouth get the fissing, bang, one shot to the head, you should've fucking listened.